Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie and today I am doing a video on how I declutter, reorganize my kitchen pantry and kitchen cabinets. So if you guys are new here, I've actually just posted a recent video of how I declutter and reorganize my refrigerator and decided that I was going to do something like a part 2. Really, it's a series on how I declutter my kitchen cabinets and pantry. So my method of cleaning is a bit sporadic. I don't clean, the whole house in one sitting, one day. I just don't put all of my time towards that. I break it up into segments. So what I'm doing today is kind of like a separate segment from my kitchen cleaning. Usually my dishes are the only thing that gets washed every single day. And then cabinets wiped down, floors swept. But when it comes to my kitchen, refrigerator, freezer, cabinets, those is just kind of like a sporadic thing. When I feel like it's time, that's kind of when I jump in and I decide to just reorganize or start cleaning it out. Throwing away old items, things that no one's eating or haven't touched, or rotating things around, just because when you have so many things in the pantry, they get overlooked if something's in front of them. So kind of going through, seeing what we have, making sure everyone knows, hey, this is still in here if you guys want it and it's not expired. So if you guys are interested in seeing the method of how I reorganize my pantry and my cabinets, stay tuned. Oh my God. Alright guys, so I'm taking a little break, but this is the top half of my cabinet. Got everything separated and broken down. I think removing the boxes and some items out of like bigger bags helps you with more room. So I went ahead and did that. But I just wanted to share. I took a break and I was looking at my YouTube analytics just because that's what I do. So I just hit 700 subscribers, which thank you guys, everyone that subscribed and want to see more videos that I make. But I'll get back to it. I got the second half to do. It really didn't take me that long, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do it, knock it out for the bottom of the pantry. So I'm gonna try to get to the rest of the shelves and stuff, but I did want to just make sure to show you guys how I normally take everything out. Anytime I'm cleaning, trying to declutter, organize, I have to remove everything. I can't just go do little by little because you know, some things might be bigger, need to go in the back. Some things might be smaller, go in the front. So it's just a matter of just taking everything out and just starting from fresh, you know, getting everything set up and then put back in. So if you guys made it this far, thanks for watching. For all the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you haven't already. And I'll continue with the rest of the video. Thanks, guys. Alright guys, so that's the end of my video for today. I know I was also gonna do the cupboards, but y'all, this actually took longer than I expected. So I'm gonna take a break for the rest of the night, and I'll probably have to do like another video. If you guys are interested in seeing that, please comment below, like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.